Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweet.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Shonda's Edible Delights, and today we'll be making dill pickle popcorn. I've seen a few requests in the comments, so now we're here making it. It's gonna be a quick and easy video. It's not that hard, it's simple, and you can make it at home. So we have our popcorn, our fresh popcorn inside our 8-gallon cooker. And now since it's in there, we're just gonna go ahead and turn the machine on just to get things rolling. Sorry if it's a little loud, but just stay and bear with me if you can hear me still. All right. So now that the machine is going, I'm gonna go ahead and add my popcorn glue. Never want to add too much of that, oversaturate the popcorn. Get you a little spoon or something, not a spoon, but like a spatula maybe. And just go ahead and start mixing that in there. It's mixing itself, but you're just pushing it the opposite way, you know. You want to make sure that it coats all the popcorn. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. Alright, that should be all mixed up in there, real coated. And then next, we're just gonna grab our homemade seasoning. Have our seasoning right here. We're just going ahead and get it sprinkling. You want to try to fix your arm and go every direction so it gets everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see it or not all the way, but just know I'm sprinkling everywhere. Even though it's tumbling, I'm still sprinkling everywhere. Alright. And I'm gonna go ahead and let that mix for a quick second. And then I'm gonna come in right behind and mix it. You just kind of want to make sure every piece has seasoning on it and it's coated. You can see some pieces are missing some. Some pieces have the seasoning. So I'm probably going to add another dosage of seasoning in there. And this tumbler holds up to 8 gallons. I don't even have 8 gallons in there, so I won't need too much seasoning, you know. And as you can see, our popcorn is starting to get real coated and seasoned, you feel me? You can see some seasoning on that one. Like I said, y'all, this is quick and easy. Everybody can do this at home. Y'all make sure I hit that like button, that subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Go get us to 1,000 followers on TikTok. If you want more tutorials, just let me know what you want next in the comment section. I'll probably put just one more little scoop in there just to top it off. A little bit more mixing. And just like that, guys, we now have dill pickle flavored popcorn. I wish you guys could taste it. But hey, guys, you can always order some popcorn if you do want some. The link is going to be in the bio straight from the website. We have bags from $8 all the way to $64. So whatever you want, you can get, guys. But this is dill pickle popcorn. I'm gonna try to bring the camera a little bit closer just so everybody can see the seasoning on there. You just kind of want to make sure all the pieces are coated. You can see the seasoning. I can even smell it. My nose smells like straight dill pickle. You gotta make sure all the seasoning. You can see the seasoning on every kernel just about. But just like that, I can go ahead and start packing this out, and we now have dill pickle popcorn, everybody. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you want more tutorials, and I'll catch you guys next time. Dill pickle popcorn.
Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats? Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets. Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause at Shonda's we have it all.